Imagine slamming your head into a tree at over 15 miles per hour, 20 times a second. That's the daily life of a woodpecker, experiencing forces thousands of times greater than gravity. For most creatures, that would mean severe brain damage. So, what's their secret? Woodpeckers are biomechanical wonders. Their beaks aren't just hard, they're designed with varying densities, acting like a natural shock absorber. A unique cartilage-rich hyoid bone wraps around their skull, essentially cradling the brain and distributing impact forces. Their brains are also incredibly compact and fit snugly within the skull, reducing any damaging movement during strikes. A thick, spongy bone at the front of their head provides an additional layer of cushioning. It's a masterclass in natural engineering, allowing these amazing birds to peck without the pain.